Good morning, team. I thought I would just walk you through kind of what we're seeing here on, I wonder if I can move this up, on your Schoology page. So when you go to Integrated Math 2 Honors Section 4.4, I just wanted to show you what's going on. So of course we have this link here to the class notes from marking period 3. I'll have an update, or you watch the other video for the update on what's happening with marking period 3 with your grades that I'll post with the information I know. And then we have some practice. Here's some practice. That's just some practice I posted. That's old material. I'm probably going to get rid of that. So here you can see week 1, 4-6 through 4-9. We have 9 weeks of instruction planned for you guys on what you guys are going to be learning. So I think I'm going to take turns with each class as for providing like live, or not live, but videos of instruction from me. Other weeks I might just find some resources online for you to look at. So let's see. So we look at this. And we open it up, and the first thing you see here is this is Unit 7, Lesson 1, Investigation 1, Integrated Math 2. This, if you open this up, this is just your textbook for the class. And if you wanted to look at this, you could. During the videos, I just pull different problems from here that we look at. So that's what that very first thing is. Then we have April 6th and 7th, so that's Monday and Tuesday. So there's 2 videos on here. So it kind of has a description of what we're starting to learn about. This is what you should be copying down in like a notebook as far as your notes. And there's 2 videos you have to watch. They're each about 15 minutes. So probably it'll take you about 2 days, 2 30-minute sessions, even though it's 15 plus 15 is 30. There's time for you guys to like copy down questions and work on some problems on your own. So that's what's there. That's for Monday, Tuesday. And then we have on the 8th, so we have April 8th. These are 2 very short videos. One's 5 minutes, one's 7 minutes. There's not really a whole lot to write down, but it's just on the Trig Table, what a Trig Table is. And that's also in there. I want you guys just to watch and take notes. Here's some things you should be writing down in the notes. So far, nothing really to turn in. I'm just expecting you guys to like watch the videos and take some notes. And then we have on the 9th, well, here, so the Trig Table, I also, as I was looking at the notes, I was thinking, well, maybe they want to copy the Trig Table. So this is a copy of a Trig Table I found online that you could just have to look at for some of the problems. It looks like a lot of numbers and really boring, but really a lot of it is like, oh, what's my angle? It's 5. Oh, okay, sine of 5 is 0.872. It's pretty basic stuff to look at. Let's go back. So then we have on the 9th, we have 2 different things I want you guys to do. I'm actually going to see if I can move this up. I want you first to do the discussion. So the discussion is something, there's 2 questions. Answer each question below. So the first question, you can read it and answer it. I provided you 2 hints. The answers are in the videos. Then problem 2 says you have to answer these. Now you can just copy and paste these. These are fill in the blank. The answer should be increasing or decreasing. And you're going to post it to the discussion. Once you have it posted, then you can see how your teammates have responded. Then your last thing you have to do for the week is this is a Google Doc that it should take you right to it. I've actually never done this before. But you would go ahead and you would fill in your name here. So you fill in your name, then it says this, you have to draw a picture. So I put notes, select insert, then drawing. So you go up to insert, then you go to drawing. I would say new, and it's going to take you to this. And you want to draw a picture of the angle that it says to draw, and you can type in if you wanted to put numbers in, you can put numbers in. I have a feeling you guys will be way better at this than I am. Okay, and that's what you're supposed to do there, and say save and close, and then that picture would pop up right there. Okay, do you guys see that? Isn't that cool? All right, so that's what that will do. And then you hit, I don't know what you do here, share. And then you can say, no, you don't do that. Then you just save it. And I think I can see in real time what you guys do. You guys are going to fill me in. I know this is something 9th graders did with Miss Conrad if you had her. So that's what we have. So that just opens a new tab. I'm going to go back to my old tab. See, these are my tabs. Look how my tabs I've opened. It's crazy. So you go back to your old tab, and that's everything that I have for you guys to do next week. Okay? So that's what I have. I miss you guys. I will have office hours. I will be available during class time. I'm not sure exactly what time that is yet, but I will be available for you guys, or you can send me an email or anything like that. All right. I miss you guys.